Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and welcome to day 2 of my amazing 30 days of refashions. Today, I am going to prove yet again that you can use what you have to make what you want by pulling out something from my wardrobe that I have had for over a decade and transforming it with no cutting at all, just a few little teeny tiny hand stitches. But if you want to go even deeper into my world of refashioning and have a awesome one-on-one with me, yours truly, then I highly recommend checking out my brand new wardrobe revolution. But for right now, let's dive into the tutorial. For this insanely adorable, super fast project, all you need is your long, stretchy tank top. And this is one I have had since I was pregnant. I used to wear these long tank tops because they were so long they covered my ever-growing belly and kept everything warm in there. And of course, you need your sewing gear. So first, just flip your tank top inside out and try to get it as even and flat as you can. Unfortunately, this is clearly fast fashion and really not made the most even on the planet. You can see here the side seams aren't really side seams, but I really need to keep the top as it is. So the side seams are just going to be how they are. Then what you want to do is fold it evenly in half as best you can. Again, depending on the quality of your tank top, you might not be able to do it perfectly, but nothing ever has to be perfect in refashioning, right? Perfection is the enemy of good enough. Once you have it as even as you can possibly get it, then you just want to grab a pin or just pinch it in the center of the folded edge. Once you have the center, then you can grab your hand sewing gear and simply put a couple of stitches in there. And if you are not sure about hand sewing, or you would love to learn all of my rockin' refashionista tips, tricks, and techniques and stitches, then I highly recommend, so let me anchor this here, there we go. I highly recommend getting my Refashioning 101 ebook, because absolutely everything is in there to help you upcycle and refashion what you already have into what you actually want. And the link will be down below for you. And when you flip it right side out, you can see you have created 2 little leg holes. So now you can wear this like an adorable romper, or you can wear it like a bodysuit and it's going to stay tucked in thanks to these little stitches here. And best of all, you can now cosplay that you are an old-timey strong man in the circus. How totally simple was that to make? Like just a few little hand stitches and you have yourself an amazingly comfortable bodysuit that is always going to stay tucked in no matter how much you jump around and move around. And of course, it makes a phenomenal old-timey strongman costume, which of course is the most fun part of the whole tutorial. If you're ready to refashion your entire wardrobe using what you have to make what you want with me, then click the link below and head on over and check out my wardrobe revolution course, because it's awesome. Everything's in there and it ends with a personal chat with me. So it doesn't get any better than that. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.